So, hi guys, this video is on how to use ADB or Wi-Fi. That means you can use ADB wirelessly. So the prerequisites are you don't need an analog bootloader, you don't need TWRP, you need nothing. Just turn on USB debugging in your developer options. This works on all phones, and so you need a computer for that first. So in your computer, all we do is after you type ADB connect in your phone, then you need to go search your phone's IP address. So let me just search it. It'll be in your about phone and go to in Samsung it's status information, so you can see the IP address, so it's there. So just type it ADB connect and type the IP address. So I've connected to this thing, to this phone, so you can force stop applications wirelessly. Okay, let me just check. Okay, I've unplugged and now in the laptop. You can see the device is connected NTC WIFI 555. Now ADB. Yeah, let me force stop an application. So ADB shell AM force stop and type the application name. Okay, for example, let me open YouTube. Okay, here it is YouTube. So you can see that the YouTube is closed. That you're not even connected with wire. So you can even reboot your phone, but after rebooting again you need to connect your phone and type connect your phone to PC again and type ADB TZIP 555. Then again connect your phone. You can even uninstall an app. For example, let me show YouTube. So type in your PC ADB uninstall. Copy paste this thing, and now let me show you. So enter. You can see YouTube is closed. Success, now the app would disappear. See, this is the YouTube's old update, so all updates have been installed. So this is how you use ADB wirelessly. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.